arriving. This is an Epson printer. This is Tuoli ink. You can see we have 6 colors. Now we open the printer. We have a power cable, printer cable. We also have a menu, warranty certificate. Now this is a new printer. We open all the stickers. Now we move the last sticker. We confirm this lock is on this side, and we remove this last sticker. Then last step is we put the ink inside the tray. Now we show you how to inject the ink. You can see we have 6 colors. M is 2M. LM is LM. LC is LC. C is CC. Y is Y. BK is BK. We should put the right color in the right tray. Now we show you how to put. For example, this C, we need to put on C. We open the cover and we check this is locked to this side. And we open. You can see here also have color number. Now we put is C. C, C. Now we put on C is this one. We open. Put it will go inside automatically. We need to put correct. When it finish, it will stop. We move and close, 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 close. Open the tray. If you see the light on, you just press. This means the paper or ink process. We need to put a paper. Okay, it means finish. The 2 light is on.